Hi guys, so today in this video we will be doing me playing this up, and I really need to speed this up because we only have a few minutes on my camera on my phone, because I made this video just a second ago and it said this video is too long and I had to cut like half of it out, and then I had to redo this video because it was too long, and so I had to really do that, and so I'm just really trying to get it done fast as possible. So the first thing I'm going to teach you is how to, if you're kind of new to slime stuff and you want to learn what to do with slime, you can watch some videos if you're trying it instead of just doing like this when you have made slime. So you're just gonna so the first thing I'm going to teach you is how to hook. I'm going to use 2 fingers and I'm just going to see those. Do you hear that? Sorry, man. This table. Okay. See? You heard it? Yeah.
I need something.
What are you doing?
There's something on Piper's ear.
Oh, no. You're not getting that off of him. My brother wants to mess with our dog, and this is like tick season, but he has this scab under his ear, and he...
It's almost off already.
No, buddy. Bring Piper here to me, okay? See, and this is, I'm pretty sure it's poppable. I don't know. I'm not hearing any pops. I am hearing a little flarb, but not really anything. Good, wait. So the next thing is I'm going to teach you how to, so you're going to do it. So you're going to make your hand like this with a little hole in it, not too big. And you're just going to, okay, so you're just going to have it this big. You're just going to stick it in there. Stick the slime in there until you just like really get tired of this move, and I will teach you the next move. But sometimes it'll go all the way in, all your slime will come into this hole, and see, all mine slime went into that hole. See how sticky this is? I like the sticky ones because if you let them sit out for a while, and they're way more stretchy, if you let them sit out in a container, they don't get too hard. And also they make the best noises. And also they're a stretcher. I really like this. Stop it. Okay, oh god, I gotta read this up. Been 2 minutes already. Most of the videos are running like 20 or so next slime thing I'm gonna teach you is how this only works for some slime, but it works for mine because mine is super tricky. You're just gonna get this and roll it up into a ball, and I'm actually gonna just stop and not maybe pick it up. I'm just gonna go like this. I'm just gonna stretch it out as it goes down, and then it's just gonna get bigger and bigger. See? Can you see this? And most people love this. I'm gonna let you hear it pop. It pops. I heard it. This pops really good. Sorry, my brother. He loves my videos. I'm really proud of him. Cause like I had this other slime too. Well, this is the same slime, but I call it the other slime because they're like totally different. Cause like I put some blue paint in it and just made it blue. The other, it was I will be right back, guys. I have to go check. What are you getting into?
I'm allowed to use.
What are you getting at?
Look off his ear.
No, those are the sharpest knives that we have, Bryson.
Oh my gosh. Those are really sharp, Bryson.
Sorry, guys. My brother was messing with a few knives, but I made him put it up because I'm the only sibling. Well, one of the only siblings.
Oh, Frankie, there's another sharpest knife thing. There's actually 3 sharper knives.
Well, just don't do it.
Okay.
Okay, so and the next thing that I'll show you is Then did I show you this? Okay, I'm gonna do it again because that was really fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this. This was really fun to me. Some people don't like slime, and if you don't like slime, that's okay. But I don't know how people know. My mom doesn't like slime at all. I make sure I don't let it stick to anything that she has. But and she doesn't like when to get distracted with it while I'm trying to do chores, so that's why she hates it, because it sticks to all her stuff.
You know how to make slime.
I didn't make slime.
I know, but you're teaching us how to make slime.
So, it counts. My teacher knows how. No, I think somebody gave this to her. I'm not sure my teacher would make slime. And so, oh yeah. My surprise one is, just go, can you hand me that, please?
This?
My
I
surprise.
got my mouth on.
So, you're my brother.
We don't share the same DNA.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
You're my brother. Okay, so you're gonna get a straw.
Did you know?
Doesn't matter what kind. You're just gonna poke it in there. You're just gonna. Hey guys, can you go talk about something else? And you're just gonna poke it in there. And then when it goes in, you're just gonna squeeze the sides of it so there's no holes around the straw. There's one hole up here, but you put more into it. And it will sometimes pop if you don't do it right, but I sometimes do it right, sometimes not. But and if it doesn't do it right, that's okay. You'll get it next time.
Frankie. Look at Frankie. She's
She's
still
doing
like it. She's doing
bubble. Now touch it, and it's kind of sticky. But if it gets on something, then it will be bad. But it's okay because the slime will collect it.
Frankie, I learned a lesson.
What?
Frankie,
So guys,
if you put this right there and suck it out, it burns your tongue. Do it then.
so
You do it. You're the brain.
guys, so thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a great time. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and give it a like, and comment down below. Please tell me if you're having slime or you know about slime, and also if you give me some video ideas in the comment section. Bye.